Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, November 25th, 2010 am. Your desire will be granted. Moreover, it meets ours. You know difficulties we encounter in France and the decisions they lead us to take. It is upsetting, but what to do against such forces? In the past, you could think that there was some exaggeration in our comments. You can see now, and will see even more in the future, that such was not the case. Fortunately, the mission is soaring in other countries where freedom of thought and action is intact. On this issue, France should review the slogan that characterized her. Do not be saddened by new rules that will be implemented in this country, as well as in other neighboring countries. Old Europe is like a big, aged, and fragile lady, submissive to a powerful ancestral entity that re-emerges when one imagined it to be weakened. Your devotion and your practice must not be affected. On the contrary, future ordeals should reinforce it. The mission advances, the mission grows, to be it in your hearts. Continue on your way in spite of the abusive politics of this country. Your longing to go forward must now slow down on any account. Babuji. Sunday, November 26, 2010 am. You should not feel out of step, as you say, regarding your spiritual life. You must accept the ordeals and the worries of daily life, even if they don't correspond to your true nature. These difficulties at the material level are an excellent working tool. They can only serve the higher levels. Do you believe that my son and what he represents does not undergo that discrepancy, which is difficult to humanly put up with? Things must be like that. An incarnation in this world cannot escape this process. Whatever the goal, it is necessary to face realities which are the rules of the game here below. It is necessary to endure while giving thanks for the opportunity that is given to work on oneself. There is no possible way out. The human being is possessed of free will, but he cannot escape strong points of his existence. He must manage them at all costs. The assessment of his stay on earth will be done according to this criteria. Was he able to face up to things? And in which state of mind has he settled his accounts? Did he keep faith, confidence, and was he grateful for what he received? There is the decisive aspect for the success of his life. Babuji.